Hello my YouTube friends and welcome back to my channel. I'm Bia and this is my bubble, and if you like it here, you can always hit that subscribe button to get a notification every time I upload a brand new video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I do my makeup, my everyday makeup routine, which looks like this. This isn't by any means how you should do your makeup. This is just how I like to do my makeup on a daily basis. Going to school, going out with friends. This is just the basic makeup steps that I do every day. I was going to say apologies for the naked face, but then I thought to myself, I have nothing to apologize for. I am beautiful with or without makeup. So let's get started. So always the very first steps in my makeup routine consists of a moisturizer and a sunblock. Please wear sunblock. You will thank yourself in a few years. Just do it. Just do it. My first step is usually going straight for the foundation. But since we are in quarantine, I don't really feel the need to go for foundation and I just apply a powder. But for the sake of the video, I want to show you my makeup routine before the world got crazy. So step 1, I would apply my foundation. This is the Revlon foundation. This isn't really my go-to. The foundation I like the most is this one, but I'm all out. When applying my foundation, I always like to use a wet beauty blender. So I just place a few squirts of foundation on the top side of my hand. And then I take my wet beauty blender and dab it in the foundation and then dab it on my face. I also like to apply the foundation on my eyelids, as I feel like it serves as a good primer for your eyeshadows. Some tips on blending. I take my beauty blender and I just go like this without any product on it. Just kind of blend the foundation into my hairline so that we don't have that harsh line. Also repeating this on my jawline, and then just making sure everything is nice and blended. Remember to dab, not to smear, to dab. Dab, dab, dab to make your face look fab. So after I applied my foundation, I like to go in with a powder, just to set everything in place and just get rid of that oily look. I don't really struggle with the oily skin, but I just like the finished look when you apply powder over the foundation. My go-to powders recently is this one from L'Oreal. This is also great for covering up spots. As you can see, I have a few spots here and here, and I feel like I never use this little sponge thing that comes with it except for when covering spots. So I just use it like this and apply it on my spots. I can't see a thing. Okay. Voila, like magic. What pimples! Then I just like to use a translucent powder, but in this case I'm using this one from Almay, just to set everything in place and to get rid of that shine. While in quarantine, I actually just like to use the powder foundation on its own, and I felt like that gave me enough coverage. But for now, why not add a foundation? Also, when you're using a brush for powder, make sure to press the powder into the skin and not to smear it around like this again, because that would cause a streaky type of look. Just press the powder into your skin like this. Make sure you go into the hairline and also to blend at the neck. So after powder, I like to do my eyebrows. I'm going to do this off camera, but if you like to know how I do my eyebrows, I would link a video here. Okay, so after I finish my eyebrows, I like to do my eyes. I usually go for a reddish type of eyeshadow or shimmer because it really brings out the green in my eyes. This really depends if I want to go for like a brownish smoky eye or maybe just a plain liner, but most of the time it consists of some type of red eyeshadow. So I'm just applying various types of reds onto my eye, focusing on the darkest reds around here in the crease and the lightest highlight and shimmer in the corner of my eyes. Now I'm just blending it out into the crease. Also, see how I use my blending brush. It's always like a sweeping type of motion so that we get that seamless blend. Now I'm placing a lighter pink in the inner corner of my eye. Just see how that brightens up my eye. Now I'm just going to repeat it on this side. So you can see here, I'm placing my darkest color and blending it there. And then I'm going to focus my lightest colors and my shimmers here. Just a bit of a hack: if you feel like you overdone the eyeshadow and it goes up way too far, just take like your normal powder with your blending brush and just blend it out until you feel safe again. So if I'm feeling a bit edgy that day, then I like to use my angle brush, which I also use for my eyebrows, and then just line my eyes with a darker red or a brownish type color. Then you can also use this brush just to blend it out a bit. Then once I'm happy with my eyeshadow, I like to go in with mascara. My holy grail mascara is the Essence I Love Extreme Mascara. I don't know, I just love this mascara for like 5 years now. And it's just, look at that brush. It has these very, very thin and small bristles. And I just feel like it gives you that really long dramatic lash, but it doesn't like clump together. Now when it comes to mascara, a lot of people have their own method of applying mascara. I just like to wiggle and pull, short bursts. Once you've applied it, I feel like we've covered all the roots, but we didn't actually get the tips there. So then I just like to go across like that and make sure that all the tips are also covered. Wow, mascara makes such a big difference. Now I'm just going to repeat it on the other side. I also never apply mascara to my bottom lashes, as I just feel like I always get a really bad case of raccoon eyes, so I want to prevent that. So this is really the basis of my makeup routine. Like, if I don't have time, this is the finished product and I'm out the door. But if I have a bit of extra time, or I'm feeling really in the mood to get jazzed up today, then I go in with a highlighter. I use this highlighter by LA Girl. This is in the color 80 Watt Strobing Power. We're gonna be blinding some people up in here. Okay, so when I apply my highlight, I either use my ring finger or I use my blending brush. So I usually just apply highlighter here. Okay, then also here, just below my eyebrow. And sometimes also above my eyebrow, just to get that shine there and there. If I see the highlight looking a bit harsh, I just blend it with my blending brush. And there you have it, guys, my makeup routine. Now you're probably asking, Bianca, what about the lips? No, I didn't forget about the lips. I just never do anything with my lips. Usually, no, I'm going to lie if I tell you, usually I put on lip ice or something like that, lip balm, but I don't. I just wipe it off if there's any foundation on it, and boom. Those are my lips. Actually, when I'm filming a video, I like to put on some lip gloss. So there you have it, guys. That is my daily makeup routine. I look like this 80% of the time. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, and I will see you next time. Bye!